Hello friends, in today's session we are going to discuss the some numericals on trigonometric leveling. In that first case by single observation method. Now we have two cases, that is for the angle of elevation and for the angle of depression. For angle of elevation we can say it as a alpha, and for angle of depression we can note it as a beta. Now to find the different correction, in that first we have a axis signal correction, and for first case is for angle of elevation. To find out the value of axis signal correction, we have formula delta is equals to s minus h upon d sine of 1 second, which is a very important formula to find out the axis signal correction. In that s is the height of signal, then small h is the height of instrument, and small d means nothing but your distance in between two station. Now remember one thing, that the alpha is always negative for angle of elevation. So to find out the corrected value of alpha, that is alpha 1 is alpha minus delta, where delta is the axis signal correction for given problem or given location. Now next is your theta. Theta means nothing but the central angle. To determine the value of theta, again we have a very simple formula, that is theta is equals to d upon r sine of 1 second, where capital R is the radius of earth in meter and theta is the central angle. Now sine of 1 second, sine of 1 second is equals to 1 upon 206265, which is standard value. Therefore r sine of 1 second is equals to 30.88 meter. Keep in mind always that r sine of 1 second is equals to 30.88 meter. Now next step, to find out the curvature correction. Curvature correction means nothing but the theta by 2. Then next formula, that is to determine the refraction correction. Refraction correction means nothing but your small r. To determine the value of small r, again we have a very simple formula, that is r is equals to m theta, where m is the 0.07, or which is the standard value for m. Then last formula, that is to determine the difference in elevation. Difference in elevation means nothing but the value of capital EH. That is to determine the value of capital EH, we have again one simple formula, that is H is equals to d sine of bracket alpha 1 minus m theta plus theta by 2 upon cos of alpha 1 bracket alpha 1 minus m theta plus theta bracket complete. The value of EH is determined is always in terms of meter. Keep in mind, this is very important. So again focus on the same formula, that is to determine the value of EH. That formula is also called as the exact equation. Now next, again we have one simple formula, that is by approximate equation. Approximate equation can be written as EH is equals to d tan bracket alpha 1 minus 1 minus 2m upon d upon r sine of 1 second. What we have considered, that theta neglecting, or after neglecting the theta we get this simple formula, that is sine upon cos we know tan. Therefore d tan bracket alpha 1 plus 1 bracket 1 minus 2m into d upon 2r sine of 1 second. Now after seeing this different formula, we are going to consider one numerical on the same situation, that is first numerical. Two triangulation station A and B are 2800 meter apart, then find the RL of B. Now this is very simple problem. Now consider the given data, that is angle of elevation at A to B is 1 degree 28 minutes 32 seconds, then height of signal at B 2.46 meter, then height of instrument at A is 1.38 meter, then coefficient of refraction at station B is 0.07, means value of em is given, then radius of earth, that is constant value 6372 kilometer, then RL of A is 125 meter. After considering the problem, now first step number 1, write down the given data, that is with respect to problem statement, where small d, that is the distance between these two stations AB, is given 2800 meter. Then next is your alpha, that is the angle of elevation, which is also given 1 degree 28 minute 32 second. Then next yes means nothing but the height of signal at A is also given 2.46 meter. Then small h, that is the height of instrument at B, which is 1.38 meter. Then m 0.07, r value is also given, that is 6372 kilometer, that is the radius of the earth. Then RL of A is given 125 meter. Now what we have to find? The RL of B. Okay, then start the problem with respect to first step, that is to find the axis signal correction. As we know, the very common formula to determine the axis signal correction means the value of delta is equals to S minus H upon D sine of 1 second. Now according to problem, we have all the values. Put the value of S, that is 2.46, then put the value of small h, which is also given 1.38. then D is also given, that is 2800 meter, and sine of 1 second, that is 1 upon 206265. After solving this equation, after putting all the values and solving this equation, we get the value of delta in terms of second, that is 79.55 second. Now just convert that value of delta into your degree, minute and second format, that is 0 degree 1 minute 19.56 second. So what is next step? Next step to find the correction. Now to find the correction means nothing but to find the corrected value of angle or the corrected value of alpha. Say it is alpha 1. To determine the value of alpha 1, that is we have formula alpha 1 is equals to alpha minus delta. Okay, after putting the value, that is to determine the alpha 1, after putting the value we get alpha 1 degree 27 minutes 12.44 second. Okay, now what is next step? Next step to determine the central angle theta. As we know the formula D upon R sine of 1 second, we know all the values, that is D is given, value of R is also given. Just convert that R value, it is given in kilometer, into meter by multiplying 10 raised to 3. Then value of sine of 1 second is also given. So put all the values. After putting all the values, we get the value of theta. Okay. Now next to find the curvature correction. Curvature correction means nothing but your value of theta by 2. Okay. Just divide by 2 to angle theta, you get the theta by 2, that is 0 degree 0 minute 45.32 second. Okay. Next step to find the refraction correction. What is formula for refraction correction? R is equals to m theta. As the value of m, okay, is given 0.07 and the theta value we have calculated in previous step, that is 0 degree 1 minute 30.63 second. Put that value, you will get the value of R, means refraction correction. Now last step to find out the value of H, which is very important step. Now for that we have formula D sine of bracket alpha 1 minus m theta plus theta by 2 upon cos bracket alpha 1 minus m theta plus theta, bracket complete. Now according to equation 1, 2, 3, 4, we have all the values, that is value of alpha 1, then value of theta, then value of D. Put that value in the given formula or given equation. Now after putting and solving, we get H is equals to 71.57 meter. Okay. Now last step means nothing but to find out the RL of B. For that RL of A is also given, that is RL of A plus H. H is positive in this case because as per figure you can consider the location of A, that is the instrument station, and B is your signal location. So to reach the point B, we have to add the value of H to the respective RL of A. After adding, we get this figure, that is 196.57 meter. Hope you understood this problem. Okay, thank you.